I know you're gonna dig this.
I don't understand what's going on.
What are you doing?
Lucy was just starting the vlog.
Yeah.
Scratch it out.
What?
That sounded like a...
No. Yes, I did get deodorant on my dress because
You always do.
I'm an awful person.
I have got an S-ton of work to do. By the way, in case you didn't catch Lucy, she said this is what happened, but you weren't here, so you missed it. I have got to go prepare the way of the washer. So, finish my coffee here. Thank you, Bonnie. And I gotta get busy. I think I'm gonna make tonight pizza night because tomorrow I'm going out to my friend's house if we're still on, and I'm not gonna have time to make pizza. It's gonna be tight tonight anyway though because I have to wait till Mark comes home to do the washer with him, and it's gonna be late, and Maddie's not gonna be here. She's going out. So it's gonna be a little crazy tonight, but hopefully we'll survive. And I have to run out and get the pizza dough in a little bit, and I gotta go pay some bills. All right, so I got a lot to do right now. I'm gonna go. I'm getting stuff done. I just finished up at Hannaford's. I'm gonna go get Sean now. Oh, it's such a nice day, but I'm so tired. It never gets any easier, does it? I've spent like the last half an hour cleaning the basement. It still needs at least an hour's worth of work, I think, but it's gonna be nice to have a new washing machine. I'm almost putting the air conditioner on. I think I'm gonna drive with the windows open a little bit, but I can't wait to try out that new washer. I hope it does like an amazing job. For that amount of money, it should. I mean, we didn't go crazy and get a really expensive one. We only spent like $600. So, I mean, they had ones that were like over $1,000 that have like all kinds of steam and whatnot. But I guess that's just more things to break. And chances are it's probably not going to last like a huge amount of time anyway. So why spend so much money when it's just going to end up not being like the old tanks like that our parents had that you know gave them use for like 20 years. They just don't make them like that anymore. Boy, do I sound old now. Yeah, they just don't make them like that anymore. I have returned. So nice out. It's so windy though. I had to tie my hair back and it's still a mess. Alright, so I just got a few things at the store. Some kale. We haven't had kale in a while. Some boca chick. We eat that all the time. Well, Kristen does anyway. I got some unsweetened almond milk. I was kind of annoyed they didn't have the unsweetened cashew milk. They only had like the 60-calorie cashew milk. I didn't want that. Some mashed carrots. I'm really into these lately. Some butternut squash. We haven't had that in a while, and I just saw somebody do a recipe online for butternut squash tacos. They're fried though. But that's okay. Not really, but I just was in the mood for butternut squash. It's pizza night, so I got the pizza crusts. This is new. I haven't seen this before. The Panera bread that you bring home. So they had like country white, and I had the country white in my hand, and I was like, melt in your mouth bread, that's so unhealthy. And I put it back, and I couldn't get the honey wheat because it's got honey. So I ended up getting the multigrain. I hope this does not have honey in it. You know, I thought I was safe because the other one said honey, like in the name. So I'm hoping this does not say honey, cracked wheat, blah blah blah, flour, salt, flax, and I don't see honey. Good. Alright. And some Schweppies. They have a new flavor. At least it's new to me. Pomegranate. So, got a few of those. And that's everything that I got. Making pizza. So you start out with your circle of pizza. And guys, I used to use a roller to do this, but it comes out so much better. Did I just get flour in my seltzer?
You did. Ew.
Oh, it's so sucky. It takes a little bit of practice, but it's way easier, and you get like a rounder shape if you do this with your hands. And then when you get to the edge, you just keep pulling off the edge like this. And it's like so much better, because when you use a roller, it just keeps snapping back at you. So
You don't want that sass.
yeah. So next time you do a pizza like this from scratch, try using your hands. The best way to get good at something is to keep doing it over and over. What?
It's so soft.
Soft cooked asparagus? Guys, the washer is a cluster.
But you got it done.
We got it done, but you know what? It's a good thing I didn't vlog, because words were exchanged. Not bad ones. I mean, just it was frustrating. Right, Sean?
Right.
It took a long time. It took like an hour and a half.
Yeah.
It was frustrating. I mean, it's beautiful though. It works really well. I'm pleased with it. I'll show you guys either later or tomorrow. But I'm happy with the one that I picked. Dinner's a little late. It's after 9. We've only got 2 pizzas out.
We've only just begun.
Strangers in many ways.
Yeah, I'm waiting for Dad to come.
We've got a lifetime to share. There's one more pizza in the oven still. I could not get to the freezer, so I'm just having artichoke bruschetta, basically focaccia tonight with my asparagus. But Sean, is Daddy asleep or is Daddy coming?
got him.
Oh, you got him? Okay. That looks legit.
Well,
You can cut it.
I'm not good at that. I'm not good at that.
Puppy says, I got my dinner on time.
Puppy!
I'm a good boy.
You need more water.
Yeah. The same blade of grass is still in there from this morning. That's a little sad, yeah. Oh yeah, and washing machine ended up on top of my foot. It's a good thing I had my cushy socks on.
It made all the difference.
That might have been a bad trip to the emergency room.
Yeah.
Actually, they probably wouldn't have been able to do anything for, you know, I got my boot as long as it would have been the right foot.
Was it?
It was both feet actually.
Oh. Well, then you need another one.
Yeah. Can you imagine having 2 boots?
No.
At least they match. Alright, we'll check back when Daddy finally gets in here. Hey, you!
Hey.
Good job on that washer.
It was hard.
It was very hard, but you know what? We prevailed.
Yeah.
That's the important thing.
Yes.
Now
Right?
this is the important thing.
Pizza! Now you get to enjoy the spoils of your...
Sure you cook this one?
Why?
It seems awfully doughy.
Oh, that's alright. It's only mine.
It's tasty, Emma.
Yeah? I hope you enjoy. There's another one in there for the cheesies.
Yeah, mushrooms.
Shrooms. Is it good? Alright, enjoy. You sexy washing machine installer man. Grammy performance.
Whoa. Okay, what's up?
It's late.
We're planning a little adventure for tomorrow. Pretty excited.
She's gotta get out of the house.
Did we say I was gonna go out with my friends today?
Yeah.
I didn't get to go to dinner because I had to get the spoiler done before the live show.
And guess what? There's no spoilers for like the next few days.
Oh my god!
It's so nice to have some days off.
That is exciting because we worked so hard last weekend through the holiday. And this is the weekend that we were expecting last weekend. It's exciting. I'm sorry. It's exciting.
It's a lot of work. You guys know that. So, and the washing machine just about killed me today.
You did a good job.
Tonight.
Tonight. Oh, puppy took my spot on the couch.
Oh, he'll get up if you just ask him. Just
I don't
ask
want to
somebody
ask
in
him
the
to get
van.
up.
Just ask
I
somebody
don't
in the
want to make
van.
him get up.
He's gonna overheat over there
Puppy,
anyway.
I love you.
Too hot for him. It works really well, that washing machine.
Wonderful.
I'll show you guys tomorrow.
But for now, we've reached the end of another day.
And by the way, happy April Fools, everybody. We didn't play any tricksies on you because we couldn't think of any.
I'm never good at those.
I had plans, but Maddie said, that's stupid.
Well, it just was cheesy.
Did you guys know
Mom
that
wanted to pretend that we were getting abducted by aliens because we're vegetarians.
vegan? Some chick was like, yeah, vegan diet attracts aliens. Why?
I don't know.
Do they like clean food?
Yes.
Well,
Yeah.
so I hope nobody played tricksies on you guys, because that sucks. I hate April
getting
Fool's things.
tricked. I hate
Can
feeling
we
like a
just
fool.
like make a truce? that-
Yeah, truce? Oh, you mean with me and you? Yeah, I don't
Yeah,
do those.
I don't do those either. And I'm so gullible. I know tomorrow
Oh, God.
when I watch YouTube, I'm gonna click on it. I'm gonna be, oh man, she got pregnant, or she got married, or they got. No.
Yeah, you always fall for that stuff.
Google's got a new product. You know Google's gonna be like, hey, we got something new for you.
Yeah.
Gee, not too.
Didn't Apple do that, like, iPencil thing last time?
Did
Or
they?
something? I don't know. Some, like, $100 pencil.
I think that's real.
Oh, it's real? Never mind. Sorry, Apple. Alright.
Alright. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed. We enjoyed having you. Thanks for coming out. And until next time. Ciao.